Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 3 on PC easily. First, you will need to download and install a PlayStation 2 emulator, such as PCSX2, which is widely regarded as the best option. This powerful software allows your computer to mimic the original console, letting you experience this beloved role-playing game with enhanced visuals and performance. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of classic gaming. Once you have downloaded the PCSX2 emulator, the next step is to set it up correctly. You'll need to acquire a PlayStation 2 BIOS file, which is essential for the emulator to boot games. After that, navigate through the configuration menus to fine-tune your graphics settings, perhaps increasing the internal resolution for a sharper image. Don't forget to map your keyboard or gamepad controls for a comfortable and immersive experience. With your emulator configured, it's time to get Persona 3 running. You'll need a game image file, typically an ISO, which is a digital copy of the game disk. Store this file in a convenient location on your hard drive. Then, within the PCSX2 interface, select CD/DVD from the menu, choose ISO selector, and browse to your Persona 3 game file. Finally, select Boot CD/DVD Full to launch the game. To truly elevate your Persona 3 experience, explore the emulator's advanced features. You can often increase the internal resolution to 2 times or even 4 times the original, making the game look incredibly crisp. Save states are a fantastic tool, allowing you to save and load your game at any point, which is perfect for challenging sections. Additionally, many emulators support patches that can enhance gameplay or even translate fan-made content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.